Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Journey to God YouTube channel. I wish you a blessed day, and welcome to another daily devotional. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Today is September 25th, and today's devotional topic is Nehemiah. Nehemiah chapter 1 verse 1 says, "The words of Nehemiah, son of Hakaliah. It came to pass in the month of Chislev in the 20th year, as I was in Shushan the citadel. When I discovered him, Nehemiah became one of my favorite Bible characters. He's not as spectacular in history as David was against Goliath, nor as superhuman as in the dreams of Joseph or Daniel, nor as profoundly intellectual as the Apostle Paul. But he demonstrates commitments to his principles, a will to change the situation, and a knowledge that without prayer, no endeavor turns out right. We could ponder his story for a whole month, but we will contemplate only one aspect of his life. Nehemiah was one of the Israelites who had not returned to Israel when they had the opportunity to do so with Zerubbabel and later with Ezra. We can't judge him for that decision. Think about Mordecai, Esther, and many others who also stayed behind. Nehemiah had obtained an excellent job. He was cupbearer for the king. The greatest risk he ran was to drink something poisonous that someone might want to serve the king. But if he controlled the whole process, his job was peaceful and assured him of being in direct contact with the most powerful man on earth every day. It was a responsibility that, if used in the interest of heaven, was an open door to obtain benefits for the children of God. When the king traveled to his winter or summer palace, Nehemiah went with the royal procession. That's why he was in Shushan when his story begins. But all the comforts and privileges his job offered were not enough for him to forget his origins. Although he wasn't present there, Nehemiah thought about Jerusalem, and he worried for his brothers who were working at rebuilding. That's why, when he finds out about the situation of the city and its inhabitants, he not only prays, but he also acts in an effort to help. Remember, your religion must not be just theory. We are also living in enemy territory. We are so used to the situation in which we learn to enjoy the benefits that living in the Shushan of our sin provides. But our minds, hearts, and interests should actually be in Jerusalem. Honestly, what is your greatest concern? Could we have gotten so used to Shushan and its comforts that we've forgotten the city of the king? Thank you for tuning into another daily devotional video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell. And if you have any questions or feedback, post them in the comment section where I'll be reading all of them. Thank you and have a blessed day.